Hi friends, this is Iqra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will give you a list of the top 10 largest countries in the world. So let's start. 10. Algeria 2,381,740 square kilometers. This North African nation became an independent state in 1962 following an 8-year war with occupiers France. With a population of around 45.5 million, Algeria in 2023 is famous for its Mediterranean climate and Saharan deserts. 9. Kazakhstan 2,724,900 square kilometers. With an estimated population of just under 19.6 million, Kazakhstan is one of the most sparsely populated nations on this list. The nation became independent from the Soviet Union in 1991 after years of rule and oppression. 8. Argentina 2,780,400 square kilometers. With an estimated population of around 45.75 million, Argentina is a busy nation filled with stunning scenery and a 4,989 kilometers coastline. Argentina became independent of Spain as the United Provinces of the Rio de la Plata, along with Bolivia, Paraguay, and Uruguay, in 1816. 7. India 3,287,263 square kilometers. The historic and ancient nation, known previously as the jewel in the crown of the British Empire, has had settlers on its land since the 3rd and 2nd millennia BC, the Indus Valley Civilization. India is famous for its religious monuments and palaces, wildlife including elephants and tigers, and its rich and varied geography of mountains, deserts, and the Ganges River. 6. Australia 7,741,220 square kilometers. A pop culture icon of a country if there ever was one, Australia is famous for its shrimps on the barbie, dangerous and unique wildlife, including saltwater crocodiles, koalas, and kangaroos, the outback, Ayers Rock, and much, much more, not least the Great Barrier Reef. 5. Brazil 8,515,770 square kilometers. Brazil is most well known for the Amazon rainforest, the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, and much more, including the nation's love of football. No country has won more FIFA World Cups than Brazil. 4. China 9,596,960 square kilometers. China is the 4th largest country in the world by total area and is the 2nd largest country in the world based on its population. According to the UN, China has an estimated population of just over 1.425 billion. 3. The USA 9,833,517 square kilometers. The United States of America became independent from its British rule in 1776. The land of the free and the home of the brave has had a storied history of war, prosperity, and a big hand in world politics. 2. Canada 9,984,670 square kilometers. For a country so large, Canada's population is tiny. The UN estimates that, in 2023, Canada has a population of just 38.7 million. To put that in perspective, the UK has a population of 67.7 million. If space is what you are after, Canada has it, even if it is covered in snow and ice. 1. Russia 17,098,242 square kilometers. It's nearly twice as large as Canada, and makes up for roughly 11% of the Earth's total landmass. Russia is so large it starts in the northeast of Europe and stretches all across the north of Asia. Due to permafrost, over 60% of Russia is uninhabitable. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.